Assets that will make you earn money. There are various types of assets that have the potential to generate income. Here are some examples. 1. Financial assets. These include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment instruments that can generate income through dividends, interest payments, or capital appreciation. 2. Real estate. Rental properties, commercial buildings, or land can generate income through rental payments or capital appreciation. 3. Business ownership. Owning a business or shares in a business can provide income through profits, dividends, or distributions. 4. Intellectual property. Assets such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, or royalties from books, music, or artwork can generate income. 5. Commodities. Investing in commodities like gold, silver, oil, or agricultural products can provide income through price appreciation or dividends. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Participating in platforms that facilitate lending to individuals or businesses can generate interest income. 7. Royalties. Licensing your intellectual property, such as inventions, music, or software, can result in royalty income. 8. Dividend-paying stocks. Investing in stocks of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends can provide regular income. 9. Bonds. Investing in government or corporate bonds can generate income through periodic interest payments. 10. Rental income. Owning and renting out residential or commercial properties can provide a steady stream of rental income. It's important to note that the income generated by these assets can vary and is subject to market conditions, economic factors, and individual circumstances. Additionally, investing in assets involves risks, and it's advisable to seek professional advice and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions.